everyone. Welcome back to Daniel Learn English.
I'm Sophia, your English coach.
And I'm Daniel, your English learner and your friend.
Today's episode is for all of you who are busy but still want to learn English every day.
Yes, many people say, I don't have time. But Sophia, we can learn English even in just 5 minutes, right?
Exactly, Daniel. Even short practice, 5 or 10 minutes, helps your brain remember English better.
So let's begin. Daily English practice for busy people. Part 1. Small steps, big learning. Sophia, do you practice English every day?
Yes, but sometimes only for a few minutes. I listen to English when I walk or cook.
That's a great idea. If you're busy, you can still learn by listening while doing other things.
Like when driving, cleaning, or exercising.
Exactly. That's called passive learning. Your ears hear English, and your brain keeps it. So even if I listen for just 10 minutes, it helps?
Absolutely. Every bit counts. The secret is consistency. One short lesson every day is better than one long lesson once a week. Friends listening, repeat after me slowly. Ready? I learn English every day. Again, I learn English every day. Good. Now, one more. I practice English when I am busy. Excellent. Part 2, Morning English. Daniel, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I drink water, stretch, and check my phone.
Perfect. That's the best time to add English.
How?
Simple. Change your phone language to English.
Oh, then I'll see English every time I use my phone.
Exactly. Also, say short sentences in the morning, like, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. Say them out loud. Your mouth learns English too. Repeat after me. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I make coffee.
These are easy. I can say them while doing them.
Yes, your daily actions can be your free English lessons.
Sophia, what about people who work all day?
Good question. If you have a job or school, use your break time.
Maybe 5 minutes during lunch?
Exactly. Open your notes app or listen to a short English podcast. Even reading one small quote in English helps.
I like to say one new sentence every day. For example, today I feel happy. Today I am tired.
Perfect. That's called daily self-talk, speaking to yourself in English.
I can do that quietly, even at work.
Exactly. No one will notice, but your English will improve. Today I feel good. Today I am learning English. Great work. Part 4, English on the go. Daniel, what do you do when you travel or walk?
I listen to music.
Perfect. Try listening to English songs or short podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain learns new sounds.
Yes, and I can repeat short lines I hear.
That's an excellent idea. Repeating helps pronunciation.
So if a song says, "How are you today?" I can say it too.
Exactly. That's called shadowing, speaking along with what you hear. Let's shadow together. Repeat right after me. How are you today? I'm feeling great. You're doing amazing. Well done. Part 5, Evening Practice. At night, before bed, review your day in English.
Like a mini diary?
Exactly. Say 1 or 2 sentences about your day. Like, I went to work. I met my friend. I watched a movie.
That's easy, and I can do it silently.
Yes. Small steps lead to big results. Let's make a mini diary together. Repeat after me. I learned English today. I listened to a podcast. I feel proud of myself. Excellent. Part 6. Weekly plan for busy people.
Sophia, can we make a simple weekly plan for busy people?
Of course. Here's one. Monday. Listen to one English song. Tuesday. Practice greetings. Wednesday. Learn 5 new words. Thursday. Watch a short English video. Friday. Speak for 1 minute in English. Saturday. Review everything. Sunday. Relax and listen to a podcast.
That's easy and fun.
Yes, small daily habits make big progress.
Sophia, can we practice English outside too?
Of course. Try these ideas. Order food in English. Read English signs or menus. Chat with friends online in English. Watch movies with English subtitles.
I do that with my favorite TV shows. It helps a lot.
That's great. The key is to make English part of your life. Practice moment. Say it after me. English is part of my life. I can learn every day.
Sometimes I feel tired or too busy, and I stop learning.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way sometimes. Even if you miss one day, just start again tomorrow.
Yes, small steps every day.
Exactly. English is a journey, not a race.
Repeat after me. I can do it. I am learning every day. I speak English with confidence. Beautiful.
Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, we learned how to practice English even when we're busy.
Exactly. Let's remember the key points. 1. Listen to English every day, even for 5 minutes. 2. Speak short sentences during your daily routine. 3. Use English during work or school breaks. 4. Listen to songs or podcasts while walking. 5. Think or write in English at night.
And don't forget to repeat and smile.
Exactly. Learning should be fun.
That's all for today's episode of Daniel Learn English.
If you're busy, remember, even 5 minutes can change your English.
Practice daily, stay positive, and speak confidently.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.
Soft outro music fades out.